Understanding how your benefits are used just got easier. Want to see what's new? Start by logging into clubwyndham.com. Once you've landed on your owner dashboard, you'll notice the new benefit summary created to help you distinguish between points you have purchased from Club Wyndham and points that have been acquired through the resale market. This distinction will help you better understand the points and VIP benefits associated with your ownership. Select Benefit Summary to view details such as how many points you have for each benefit associated with your Club Wyndham ownership and those benefits available through your VIP status. Streamline your view of individual points and benefits and have more control over how you use your ownership to make memories of a lifetime. Scroll down to the Benefits History section to see what you've booked in the past, as well as the benefit type and amount of points that were used. If you'd like to view the usage of a specific benefit, you can set a filter by choosing the Filter button at the top of the Benefits History section. Select each benefit type that you'd like to view and click Apply Filters. And the Benefits History will give you a breakdown of any prior transactions made. When you're ready to book, the power is in your hands to choose which points you want to be used. Simply enter the location in which you want to travel, select whether or not you want to use developer or resale points, and enter the dates you want to travel. After selecting the resort accommodations that fit your needs, you'll be taken through the booking flow, which will remind you which points are being used. Click Book Now to complete your reservation. Your confirmation will show you the details of your reservation, including the point type used, and your benefit summary will automatically be updated. And that's your new benefit summary. To learn more details about this new update, be sure to register for the Benefit Summary Education Session taking place on August 3rd. We can't wait to see you there.